Are you ready to ensure safe and compliant drone flights? This video will guide you through a comprehensive risk assessment process, helping operators identify potential hazards and apply effective controls. Let's dive into the steps necessary for safe drone operations. Every drone flight begins with capturing essential operational information. This includes the project name, purpose, location, and the scheduled date and time. It's crucial to document the drone operator and spotter's names, along with equipment details, to establish accountability. Before taking off, operators must verify conditions and equipment. Check the weather, review airspace restrictions, and inspect the drone for any faults. Confirm battery levels and GPS calibration, and ensure all necessary permits are in place for a safe operation. Identify key hazards such as collisions, signal loss, and restricted airspace violations. Implement risk control measures like setting flight boundaries, maintaining visual line of sight, and using trained observers. Always follow local aviation rules to mitigate risks. During flight, wear high-visibility clothing and ensure communication devices are ready. Monitor drone stability and battery levels closely. Stay alert to environmental changes and stop the operation if risks increase. Proper training and certification are essential for safety. In case of emergencies, have a defined landing process and handle signal loss safely. Report incidents immediately and secure the area if needed. After landing, inspect the drone, record any issues, and review the effectiveness of risk controls for future improvements. By following a structured risk assessment process, you can ensure safe and compliant drone operations. From pre-flight checks to post-flight reviews, each step is crucial in minimizing risks and enhancing safety. Implement these practices to fly with confidence every time.